Installation of underfloor heating thermal boards to go down. So I spoke to my Sparky. He said to run the cables anywhere underneath there. He's going to then run them up to this old tank, immersion tank. So I've just got them in the collar. Just put that up there for the time being. I'm going to prime this floor and then stick down thermal boards. And then stick down the Vario Pro decouple mat, which then takes the wires. So I'm just getting set here. So that's going to go in, that's going to go channel down that way, come down through here, and then going to run that in between the cables. So yeah, keep you posted with this one. So first of all, prime your subface. Ready for the thermal boards. So now I've dry laid my thermal boards. I know what you're thinking, oh, you've not cross bonded it. It doesn't matter because I've got the decouple mat going down over the top, so there's no danger of any movement transferring through as the decouple barrier does away with that. So I'm going to stick and screw these down, stuck my probe through there, that's going to run through there, channel it in from the side of the wall, back, start running around, and then run my probe wherever I need to run that to get it to. So yeah, keep on to the next part then. So I've cut my decouple mat from the ThermoSphere to size, got my probe through ready there. So what I'm going to do now is mix up some rapid set flexible adhesive, get this stuck down, and then I can start running the cables then once that's gone off. So once all the wires have been installed, I've just quickly gone over that with some rapid setting adhesive just to protect the wires. So once that's set, then you're ready for the installation of the floor tiles then. So yeah, that's the process there.